Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And it is Friday, August the 31st of 2018. And I went to two different Rite Aids yesterday. So the first one I went to is my regular store, and it's going to turn into a Walgreens. They're not having clearance sales. I did buy 10 cases of the Nestle Pure Life water, 2 per card. So I could do that because it's a really good deal. And I also got some all laundry soap, and they're on sale for $2.99, and we got dollar manufacturer coupons that just came in the insert. Oops, let me get a shadow on this. Okay, and I got 3 because I already had some tracking because I bought some Persil when it was on sale. We had Saving Star rebate or whatever. So I already had some tracking, so I only needed to buy 3 more. And I did it on 2 different cards because that's the same monthly deal. Spend 12 and get back 3. So I thought I might as well do it. So when she was ringing up my coupons, I had 3 paper coupons, and I noticed the dollar coupon had come off. So I figured it was a regular load to card. But look, the dollar load to card stacked with the paper coupon. So now this one doesn't have, up here at the top, doesn't have a coupon attached to it. Anyways, I got my $3 back. If you don't have any tracking because you didn't buy the Persil, they're $2.99, and to get to $12, you'd actually have to buy 5 of them to get over that $12. So, oh, and then there's $1 back from Saving Star on them if you got that rebate. So it came out, they're pretty inexpensive for that, so I go ahead and did that. And then I found a couple more e.l.f. products. So the smaller one was 80 cents with my gold discount. The bigger one was like $1.60 or something, whatever it was. So, and then buy 2 and get $2 back. Okay, so that was what I did at the store, the regular store, and then all this other stuff I got at the store that's went 70% off yesterday. Which I plan on going back over there this morning, so I'm going to tag that on the end of this video. And but anyways, I got this this thing had a monthly deal on it for $10 back, and I think it was like $9.60 or something. So that was just a little money maker. And then this grabbing thing right here had a $10 monthly rebate on it, and it was like $7.60 or $6 or something. And yeah, so that was a big money maker on that. They have some other Carex products that I would get too if you know, if it was at 90% off, but because I didn't need them. Okay, I picked up this emergency probiotic one, which was originally $24.99. With 70% off, it was $7.50, and I used the $4 coupon that came in the Retail Me Not this past Sunday. Plus, I knew there was a matching Saving Star rebate for that for $4 back. And then plus there was another Saving Star rebate for $1 back on any emergency product. So I figured on getting $5 back, which would totally make that a moneymaker. And what I found was there was also a $2 one for something else, another probiotic or emergency item. So I actually got 3 rebates on Saving Star for that, for a total of $7 back. So, and I found 2 of them. So that was great. And then the banana boat, I had some hang tags that I had picked up at a variety of stores, and they're buy 2 get $3 back. And at 70% off, they were like $3.24. And I used the, oh, there was a $3 off of 2 load to card coupon that came off. Plus I had the $2 coupon that I used on it there. And so total moneymaker on those. I wish I picked up more. I didn't even pay attention. It was so busy in there yesterday. I got a bunch of Head & Shoulders. They were like $2.19, and then a $3 off of 2 load to card coupon. $1.40 for 2 of those, which was a good deal. So I did a whole bunch of those on a variety of cards. Plus there was a insert coupon out of the P&G. And then I picked up some Pantene. So there was a $5 off of 3 Pantene coupon that came in the P&G. So I only had 2 of those coupons. Those Pantene were $1.80 for me. I had a $1 load to cart coupon that worked in conjunction with the $5 off of 3 coupon. So that made it a pretty good deal. Yeah, there's the $15 back for that Carex. Oh, this toilet thing. See, and let's see if there was anything else. I think that, oh, and then I got some Caress foaming body wash, and they're part of a monthly deal with Suave and Degree or something. Buy 2 and get $2 back, and we have $1.50 coupon, I think it was, on this Caress. So it was $2.55 right there. $2 coupons off on that, and they count towards Fetch rewards. So anyways, yeah, there's some Nestle water using that $2 digital coupon, that $1 off a 2 manufacturer coupon that I got. Okay. All right, so we'll see what else I get today. Okay, so I'm at the store that's 70% off, and the shelves are looking really bare. Okay, but I did find some things based on some deals that I did yesterday, so I'm not sure if these are going to work for the buy 2, get $3 back, but I'm going to give them a try. And I found these Carousel intensive foot repair, and I had these coupons I printed a long time ago off of their website for the intensive foot care, so those are going to be a little bit overage for those. I'm going to try these Hawaiian Tropic dark tanning for the buy 2, get $3 back. I got one $2 off coupon, and since that $1 digital coupon worked on in conjunction with that paper coupon, I'm going to try that on the Pantene. Somebody did this Zyrtec, so I got a $4 off coupon. It's not going to be exactly free, but it'll track for allergy rewards as well, so it's a little hanger thing there. And then I have these Taliente coupons, and I'm hoping I'm going to get 2 of those, and hopefully there's only 3 of them left, and hopefully that digital coupon will stack with that, and I should get some overage. And then also I have this $2 off of 3, and there's the Haagen-Dazs. So with this $2 coupon, I don't know, it's going to make it about $3.30 for 3 of those. So I think I've got a couple of those coupons, so I think that's probably going to be about it, but I can't eat those. Okay. Anyways, I think that's going to end it for me. I'll talk to you guys later.